How to find language and region settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language and region settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings. And here you will find it, language and region. Click on it and then just manage here anything you want. You can change it to English or Arabic or anything you want here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.